Fox 13 News has obtained records showing what the state has been buying with emergency powers during the COVID-19 pandemic. Just after we started reporting on that spending, Governor Herbert weighed in. Fox 13's Ben Winslow has what he had to say.
And I believe there are legitimate questions that have been raised about various contracts that have been entered into by the state.
Under a public records request, Fox 13 has obtained accounting sheets and contracts detailing what the state has been spending money on as it responds to the coronavirus pandemic. For example, as the state started ramping up the emergency in late March, state employees went to Costco and Family Dollar to buy disinfecting wipes for child welfare caseworkers. Corrections employees went on eBay to buy thousands worth of thermometers.
No tech company is going to make any money off of this.
But these contracts show some Silicon Slopes firms tied to the Test Utah site did get multi-million-dollar contracts with the state for their efforts in a public-private partnership.
I stand by the collective decisions that have been made by our state's leaders. I think they've made their correct decisions with the best information they had available at the time in order to address our common goal of saving lives, saving livelihoods, stopping the spread of this coronavirus.
All of this was done using what's called emergency procurement powers, meaning the state can spend what it needs to with no public bid or process. The governor told Fox 13 they've spent upwards of $90 million.
Gloves or masks or much of this PPE, I don't have issue with that.
Representative Suzanne Harrison and House Democrats have been scrutinizing some of the state contracts, particularly with tech firms.
Are these services, apps, contracts really the best way to be spending precious taxpayer dollars? And is that the way to help struggling Utah families and small businesses?
Here on Capitol Hill, the state auditor and legislative committees are planning hearings into state spending in the emergency.
We'll cooperate with any legitimate inquiries.
The governor told Fox 13 he'll continue the use of emergency spending, but it will be pulled back a bit.
The situation itself necessitates quick action. And we've done that, and we've done it, I think, very responsibly.
And we are still getting public records requests on what the state is spending your tax dollars on. These are hundreds of pages. We're going through them, and we'll continue to report what we find. On the Hill, Ben Winslow, Fox 13 News, Utah.